Rancho Bernardo Library. I've got a great project for us today. We've got a little bit of history, a little bit of physics, and a whole lot of fun. Today we're going to talk about our catapult. A catapult might look something like this. And it was used since ancient times in warfare. The physics part of this is that the stored energy got released and sent something flying. Another type of projectile with stored energy that gets released is a slingshot. Some of you might have played with one of those. And a little bit more complicated type of catapult is called a trebuchet. And I have gone to see a real trebuchet in England at Warwick Castle. If you ever get the chance to go see that, it's a lot of fun and super interesting. These days, the idea of stored energy getting released is used on aircraft carriers to launch the airplanes off the runways of the aircraft carriers. So let's get started with the project. We will start with 5 colorful jumbo popsicle sticks or craft sticks. Stack them up nice like that. You're gonna take a rubber band, be careful because sometimes they snap, and you're gonna twist it around like that. And then it's gonna look like this. And then you're gonna repeat it on the other side so that it looks like this. Next, you're gonna take another popsicle single stick and you're gonna take a bottle cap from a water bottle. You're gonna have some sticky glue dots. You're gonna stick them on the flat side of the water bottle cap, and it should look like this. You're gonna grab yet another popsicle stick. That's gonna be 7 in total. You're gonna put them together and wrap another rubber band around so that it looks like this. And you can see that it forms a V, which is really handy because now we bring back our big stack and slide it in between those two. So good word here is perpendicular. We've got this stack and this stack that's perpendicular. Now we are going to use another rubber band. We're gonna go diagonal and wrap around this way, all the way, and then we're gonna wrap around the other way so that it makes an X, and we're gonna end up with something that looks like that. That's our catapult. I'm gonna show you some different angles there. See the X? You've got all your pieces all together there. We are ready to launch. Here's a little mini pom-pom at home. At home, you can use mini marshmallows, jelly beans, any little thing. You can even test different things and see how far the different things go. Ready for launch? Here we go. Whoa! Let's do that again. It's been great. Enjoy your catapults.